Hi everyone. Today we'll see about the reading task. Time management is very important to score higher to get band 7 to 9. For reading task, the duration will be 1 hour. 3 sections will be given. Totally 40 questions will be there, divided into that 3 sections. 3 parts will be given. Okay. So in first section, you have to spend 15 minutes for that, and for the second section 20 minutes, and third section 25 minutes. You have to plan accordingly. It will be easier, harder and stronger. Today we are going to see about the reading passage. The topic is vitamins. Questions here it's discussed is 14 to 16. So question 14 to 16 we are going to discuss. So before going to the passage, we have to read the questions. Okay, so the writer does not recommend multivitamin supplementation for whom? According to the writer, vitamin E has been shown for, we have to point out this, and the medical letter group believes antioxidant supplementation, so we have to choose it. And the second session is given for 70 to 21, yes or no session, and not given statement. So for this we are going to select the answers. Okay, so moving to the reading passage. Vitamins, so we need to point the keywords. Mineral, vitamin and antioxidant health supplements make up a multi-billion-dollar industry in the United States alone. But do they really work? Evidence suggests supplementation is clearly indicated in special circumstances but can actually be harmful in others. But general population, however, supplementation have negligible or no impact on the prevention of cancers, cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, mortality or any other major indicators of the health. In the pursuit of a longer, happier and healthier life, it has certainly better investment for most people than a tube of vitamin supplements. Okay, so coming to the subject, particular subgroups of the population can gain a proven benefit for supplementation. Folic acid has been indicated, so we need to mark the keyword folic acid proven. So it is indicated for prenatal supplement due to assistance of fetal cell division, corresponding ability to prevent the neural tube defects, birth defects. Since Canada and the United States decided to require white flour to be fortified with folic acid, for what purpose? Spinal birth defects have plummeted by 75% in the rates of neuroblastoma. That is a ravaging form of infant cancer, or now 50% lower in countries without such fortification. For women on low carbohydrates, we need to point this, women on low carbohydrates diets, a prenatal multivitamin could make a crucial difference. Need to point this. United States Department of Health and Human Services concluded that the elderly may also benefiting. So we need to point this. So prenatal for pregnant ladies and elderly may also benefit from the extra vitamin D. And calcium can help prevent bone fractures, and the zinc and antioxidants can maintain vision while defecting the macular degeneration in people who would otherwise be likely to develop this affliction. Okay, so there is a mounting evidence for many people to steer clear of multivitamins. The National Institute of Health has noted a disturbing the evidence of risk in tobacco users, that is beta carotene. A common ingredient in multivitamins was found a 6-year study to significantly contribute for the higher lung cancer and the mortality rate in smokers. Meanwhile, excessive vitamin A, that is a supplement often taken to boost the immune system, has been proven to increase the woman's risk of hip fracture, and vitamin E thought to improve the cardiovascular health. So you need to mark that, to improve the cardiovascular health. vitamin E. Okay, so vitamin E to improve the cardiovascular health, and was contraindicated in a study that demonstrated higher rates of congestive heart failure. So that demonstrate higher rates of congestive heart failure is accompanying among such vitamin users. Antioxidant supplementation has no purpose nor does it achieve anything. According to the Food and the Nutrition Board of National Academy of Sciences, and the medical letter group has gone further in suggesting they may interfere with the treatment and promote some cancers. So antioxidants, again we need to point it out, antioxidants are generally regarded as a counteracting the destructive effect of free radicals. Destructive effect of free radicals in the body. But according to the medical letters theory, free radicals may also serve the purpose of sending a powerful signal. This is very important. So you have to mark it, powerful signal to the immune system and to fix the damage. By taking these supplements, we risk undermining that message and upsetting the balance of antioxidants and free radicals in the body. The supplements counteract the free radicals, the immune system is not placed on alert, and the disease could sneak through the gates. One problem with supplementation by tablet is poor record on digestibility, and it is another keyword, digestibility, we need to mark it. These tablets are often stocked with metal-based minerals that are essentially for miniature rocks, and our bodies unable to digest them. So digestion is not occurring properly. Even the vitamin supplements of these pills that are theoretically digestible and often unable to be effectively extracted by our bodies when they arrive in such a condensed form. So it should be noted. And then in Salt Lake City, for example, over 150 gallons of vitamins and minerals pills are retrieved from the sewer filters each month. According to the physician desk difference, only about 10 to 20% of the multivitamins are absorbed by the body. The National Advisory Board is even more damning, suggesting that every 100 mg of tablet corresponds to 8.3 mg of blood concentration, although noting that this can still potentially perform a helpful role in some cases. In effect, for every dollar, 100 pounds you spend on vitamin supplements, over 90 pounds, that is quite literally flushed down in the toilet. Okay, so it has to be noted. Okay, and a final argument against multivitamins in the notion that they can lead people, consciously or not, to the conclusion that supplementation fills the gap in the unhealthy diet and unhealthy diets and mobs afterwards, leaving their bodies none the wiser that instead of preparing a breakfast of fresh food and muesli, they popped a tiny capsule with coffee and chocolate bar. So in 7-year study, however, the heart protection study did not find any positive outcome, whatsoever for multivitamins, and conducted that while vitamins in the diet are important, multivitamin tablets are safe but completely useless. So it is useless. There is evidently no shortcut around the task of buying, preparing and consuming fresh fruit and vegetables every day. So boosting, supplementing and fortifying the products alters the people's very perception of what healthy food is. Instead of heading to their fresh produce arrives in the supermarket, that they are likely to seek out the sugary processed foods with a handful of extra B vitamins as a healthy choice. So we cannot supplement out the way of bad diet. So this is the passage, so we need to mark it out. So for this, the writer does not recommend multivitamin supplementation. They recommend for pregnant women, we read it, and young children it's not given. Anyone prone to eye problem also given, and old people. So only children will be the option, because here we have discussed for pregnant ladies and elderly, that is older population, and for antioxidants maintain the vision. So 3 options is given. So your writer does not recommend for young children. This will be the answer. According to the writer, vitamin E has shown to, for what problem? Vitamin E. So coming to the vitamin E, we have discussed here after vitamin A, vitamin E thought to improve the cardiovascular health was contradicted in study and demonstrated the higher risk of congestive heart failure. So we need to point this, so lead to heart problems. Okay, this will be the answer. So the medical letter group believes antioxidant supplementation. So we read that antioxidants. So here it is. Antioxidants, or according to the medical letter, free radicals may also serve the purpose of sending the powerful signals to the body immune system. So we need to fix the damage. So answer will be is ineffective is attacking. No, it attacks the system. Attacks both free radicals. It prevents, this will be the answer, it prevents the immune system from responding to the free radicals. So this is the answer. And for remaining questions, some multivitamin tablets have indigestible ingredients. Yes, we have come across the indigestion problems. Here we have come indigestibility. One problem with supplementation by the tablet is the poor record on digestibility. So the statement will be yes. So we need to mark yes. Okay. And second question is, some individual vitamins are better absorbed than in others in a tablet form. Individual vitamins, they didn't speak about the individual vitamins. So you have to mark it as not given statement. Okay. So next one is, our bodies cannot distinguish food-based from supplement-based vitamins. Our bodies cannot distinguish food-based from supplement-based vitamins. So we come across about the fresh fruits and vegetables. It will take time only, but it's not mentioned. So our bodies cannot distinguish food-based. It's not correct. So we need to mark no for this. Okay. So multivitamins can lead to poorer overall eating habits in a person's life. Yes, we should not depend on the multivitamin fully. So for this multivitamins, we should not depend on the multivitamin fully. So in this point of view, we should mark multivitamins can lead to poorer overall eating habits in person life. You should not stick on to the multivitamins. So the statement will be correct. Yes. And then people typically know that fortified processed foods are not good for them. Fortified processed foods are not good for them. Fortified foods were they suggested actually in since Canada and United States decided to require white flour to be fortified with folic acid. So they are suggesting this fortified processed food. So we should mark no. Okay, they are also using. So we have to mark it as no. So this is the answers. So long we have discussed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions, and we we found the answers for this 8 questions in 10 minutes. So approximately 10 to 12 minutes. So we have to pick the answers. We have to go through the paragraph clearly and we have to mark the keywords and then we have to find out the answers. This is a easy task, easy way to follow. Okay. Thank you.